Hello everyone. Today I will use 2 minutes to explain to you how to use a benchtop multimeter to measure line continuity. This is 6.5 digit benchtop digital multimeter from Hantek, HDM3065. Step 1. Configure test leads. Connect the red test lead to the input resistor port on the front panel, and connect the black test lead to the common terminal. Step 2. Press the button on the front panel to open a menu where you can choose to use the buzzer or disable the buzzer. The measurement method for this HDM3065 is as follows. 10 ohms or less displays measured resistance in beeps. Displays measured resistance from 10 ohms to 1.2 ohms, no beeps. Above 1.2 ohms display open, no beep. This is a 1 ohm resistance. We measure. The screen shows that the measured resistance is 1 ohm. Less than 10 ohms. There is a beeping sound. This is a 15 ohm resistor obtained by connecting 3 5 ohms in series and measuring its continuity. The screen shows that the measured resistance is 14.7 ohms. Greater than 10 ohms, no buzzer. Generally in a dry environment, the human body resistance is in the range of about 2 ohms to 20 megohms. I hold the probe with my hand. My bodice resistance is about 0.3 megohm, which is much greater than 1.2 ohms. Measuring continuity. Screen open is displayed on the display without beeping.